What's up guys, in this video I will show you a Web3 framework project that you could explore to see if there is an opportunity for you to work with this and earn extra income. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Starton landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. As I mentioned earlier, it is a Web3 framework. It provides the best developer experience with the most resilient and powerful development tools. So basically guys, Starton is an API that facilitates access to the blockchain for business developers with different tools, and it handles transactions and providers. It also deals with nonce issues, keys management, and monitoring the blockchain. So Starton Relayer basically is a core pre-chain management, and it allows you to send a large number of transactions with ease. So the role of the relayer guys is to handle the errors, just like the lost transactions, the nonce problem, the gas price management, because for a fact that there are blockchain networks that has like insane gas fees, right? So automatic signature as well, real-time status of your transaction, and checks mempool and checks the gas price. Those are basically the advantages of the Starton Relayer. All right, so if you scroll down, you would see sample codes on the right side here, NFT smart contract, collections, and all those good stuff. So going to the blockchain lifecycle, guys. So the blockchain transaction lifecycle with the relayer. So the relayer's role is to handle errors just like lost transactions. You have nonce problem, you have gas price management, you have automatic signature as well, checking the mempool, and then check the nonce, real-time status of your transaction. So those are the things that the relayer is trying to avoid, right? So errors just like that. All right, so the next one that I would like to stress out on would be the understanding of the monitor. So understanding the monitor inspects every block on all supported blockchains to continuously check for the activity. So just like what I mentioned earlier guys, Starton, the role of that is basically to make sure that we could anticipate and avoid the errors, right? All right, so let me show you some of the ready to use tools here, like this one. So Starton has designed its own Zapier integration, which will give the opportunity to connect anything to Web3, and it can make anything you want into a Web3 application. So this Starton Discord bot is like a ready-to-use tool that you could integrate with your projects for Web3. So this is for Starton Discord bot, like this one as well. So the Discord role bot. Next one is for Twitter. So Starton Twitter quote retweet airdrop bot. So there are a lot of ready to use codes that are available here. You can go ahead and check that one out guys. Links to this will also be in the description of the video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe. Click that bell, that way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.